Hello everyone. Today I am going to show how to summarize data with functions utilizing the sum, mean, max, count, average functions in Microsoft Excel. In order to do that, first I have to open Excel worksheet and we have to have a group of data set or some data which I already created here. Now, first I am going to show how to do sum function. Here in column A, I have a group of data set. In column B, I'll show how to do the sum function. In column B, I have same data set as column A. We can use the sum function or we can use a formula. Now in order to do the sum function, select the range of cells or data that we need to add. So in column B, I have to select B through, let's select in B2 through B10. Then from the menu bar, formula menu bar, from the formula menu bar I have to go auto sum. Then I have to click the sum icon and the result will be showing in the last data cell here. We can use also the formula. So for the formula, I have to, where I am to place the answer, I have to click plus the data cell. Then I have to write the formula here. The equal, then sum is sum. It should be always in capital. Then parenthesis, the cell range like B2 colon B10, then parenthesis close. The result will be showing in here. So next, we can use the mean function. For the mean function, we can use the formula bar or also we can just select the range. Using the mean function, first I have to select the cells of data like C2 through C10. Now, click mean under formula menu bar. Click mean under the formula menu bar and the result is showing just under the last data cell. In this case, we can use also this formula, same formula. We have to select the cell first where we want to put the result. Then in menu bar, we can formula bar, we can just type the same thing, mean C2 through C10. Then we can, the result will be showing in here. For the maximum, we have the same formula. We have to select the range like here, D2 through D10. Then under the formula, we have to click the max button and the result is showing the last data cell. Same we can use the formula here. We have to type the formula bar here like the max and the result will be showing the same way. For the count, we have to select like E2 through E10 and then under the formula from auto sum icon we'll click just count button and then icon, then it will come, it will be showing how many numbers we have here. My last function is average. So same, I have to select the range of cells or data from like here column F2 through F10. Then I have to click average under the formula menu bar, then click the menu bar, the average will be showing in the last data cell. So this way we can also from here I can show the last data for the average. I can show how to do the right formula here. Like I have to select first where I have to put the result here. Then I have to type in here like equal sign average, then parenthesis, my cell range is my cell range should be F2, F3 to F10 here, F3 colon F10, then the result will be showing here, last data cell. So this way, I hope that we learned something, summarizing data with function, utilizing sum, mean, max, count, average. Thank you so much, everybody. Have a good day. Bye.